What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Davo, come to y'all boys with another YouTube video, man. And in today's video, hey, I'm doing something different, man. I'm getting tired of spamming Chicago videos every day, man. POVs in Iraq. I'm tired of that shit, man. Today we in Dawn, Illinois, man. Right now we on Sibley. We right off Sibley at this little gas station, at this little Food for Less. If you know, you know. If you don't, you broke, motherfucker. But look, right now I got my HELLCAT out, man. Got my 2023 HELLCAT jailbreak out today. It's looking beautiful, but I ain't watched it in like 4 days. It's looking real bad. I got some Mickey Thompsons. These like 305, 35, 20s. These are the best tires ever, gang. The best tires. I ain't sure how this GoPro looking, but it should be looking decent, man. Hey, my girl dog just ripped the shit out of these motherfuckers today. Hey, just enjoy the POV video, man. I got my Insta360 joint that I just got mounted up. This joint dusty, but I'm telling y'all, gang, just sit back, relax, and enjoy this joint, gang. Got the red guts. Hey, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you new to this YouTube video. Right now, we back in mode, gang. Hey, if you don't know about Sibley, I don't know what to tell you, man. We go flip a couple blocks too. I'm gonna go down this way first. We gonna go right, then we go come back down. We gonna go all the way down to Calumet City. Tear up the whole Sibley. Give y'all a little hood documentary, no. It's a little high school right here to the left, but I used to go to this Foot Locker all the time. I used to buy shoes at this motherfucking Foot Locker, gang, when I used to sell shoes and shit. I still do, but only to VIP customers. But look, it's a fucking barbecue spot right here called Wilma's, gang. Oh my God. Oh my, I ain't gonna lie, that's the best barbecue I ever had. We ain't gonna go all the way down, cause if we go all the way down, we go damn near hit like Harvey, folks. So that's a whole nother video. We ain't doing Harvey today. Harvey, man, oh man. Cause really, I was about to say like between like the south suburbs and shit, between Calumet City and Dawn, like that shit probably the motherfucking worst. The worst area in the south suburbs damn near is Harvey, folks. They ass some fucking clowns. Bust this you. It's a public road, motherfuckers treating it like a damn E-way. Yeah, though, man, I'm finna get y'all a little hood documentary on some motherfucking Baba TV hood documentary. Look, hey, that gas station be hot, folk. Hey, if you come out here, don't go to that gas station, gang. I'm telling you, you might get your little ass, motherfucker. Man, look, all I gotta say, you ain't gonna leave that motherfucker, gang. If you go to a motherfucking gas station, folks, go to this joint right here by motherfucking Food for Less. But any gas station, you'll get your dumb ass caught. This shit ain't sweet, bro. Motherfuckers be thinking that the Burbs sweet and shit. Man, that shit ain't motherfucking sweet. That's why she don't even get my gas in the Burbs. I don't get my gas in the city, nowhere. Look, the police right there. So look, hey, if you see the police, look, these gas stations right here, you better get your gas right there, gang. Oh, shit. I got some stories. But look, everybody from the city, I don't know why everybody from the city, they decide to go to Don Bowl, folks. There was another bowling alley, but that my grandma used to take me a long time ago. It was called Brunswick. Here go Wellman's. This is the new establishment, Wellman's. But nah, my grandma used to take me to Brunswick and shit. They was in a little league. They was low-key raw. My brothers, my uncles, everybody. For my grandma, she damn near still raw to this day. It be so much going on at this bowling alley, gang. Right here, bro. Don Bowl. I don't know why. It's like everybody mind that they try to go to the Burbs to get out of the motherfucking BS, but everybody is linking up in the same place. You got ops coming to Don Bowl. You got everybody coming to Don Bowl. You will get your dumb ass beat up in there. It's a lot of people that didn't got beat up, popped outside, killed inside. Go Crystals. Hey, Crystals got the best chicken. They go Dream Jewelers up there too. They didn't move they shop too, and they got a little shop downtown now. But we go been a couple of these blocks. Baba's again. That Baba's closed. This damn another Baba's up here. This a Bentley? Fuck you doing in that Bentley? Another bowling alley, Castaways. I seen a lot of cars up in there. I'm finna drive past that bitch. They go think I'm trying to strike some shit. Oh yeah, fool. Y'all last lacking. I'm finna come ruin they motherfucking day. Move they little ass around. They lucky they ain't got no cats out here on Bro Grade. ass out the way, folks. This ain't that. I damn near up switchy on one of y'all ass out here, for I ain't come out here to play. Did not come out here to play. I was about to move with that motherfucking cigarette in your mouth, boy. One more, gang, one more. Get to that 4. Oh, shit. I damn it just woke up the block, folks. But yeah, though, man, hey, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. I'm just really trying to do something real different. Because, like I said, bro, I'm getting tired of just spamming Chicago videos, gang. Like, let me know where else y'all want me to drive around. I was thinking about driving around Gary, folks, because a motherfucker gave me an idea to drive through Scrooly G Hood. And shit, I done sold shoes to a couple of their ass. So we go probably try to put something together for y'all ass. But I just really, cause I ain't just an overly disrespectful motherfucker, but at the same time, I ain't about to ask a motherfucker, can I drive through your hood? Like, what? You sound dumb as hell. But at the same time, you still gotta respect motherfuckers too. Just like now with this Sibley shit with like anything, bro. It's like shit, yeah, you can move around, do what you do, but at the same time, be respectful, gang. Be respectful. Don't just make it seem like, yeah, I'm just out here, la la la. But, yeah, man. I ain't gotta tell y'all shit that y'all ass already know. Appreciate all y'all for tuning in to another video, gang. And if y'all want more videos like this, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I'm going crazy, man. I'm finna just start dropping more POV videos, because I notice now POV videos is going insane on YouTube right now. Like, man, the algorithm with them POV videos is going crazy. My last POV video, it's been up for like, I want to say it's been up for like 3 days, bro. That joint at like almost fucking 7K now. So I'm gonna be dropping more POV videos for y'all boys. So just keep on, just stay locked in with your boy, man. Stay locked in with your boy Davo. Y'all know I don't disappoint, gang. And it's me, your boy Davo, and I'm out, gang. Peace. Inside an Uber ride. Yeah, you would drive. We gave the officer make shoes and watch them school with that. I choose the Perkies over that bitch cause she don't understand me. Bitch!